And since its inception, Bitcoin, the preeminent cryptocurrency, has witnessed several market cycles, each with its highs and lows. Its volatile nature has recently tested investors' mettle, especially those ventured into Bitcoin in the past 3 months. New findings from analytics firm Glassnode have painted a detailed picture of the current scenario, revealing the challenges faced by short-term holders, STHs, of the premier cryptocurrency. STHs, defined by Glassnode as entities holding Bitcoin for 155 days or less, have recently felt the heat. The firm's research disclosed that roughly 97.5% of these investors grapple with unrealized losses. And to put it in perspective, as of September 17th, Glassnode reveals the cost basis, or average purchase price, for those refraining from selling the BTC stands at $28,000, precariously hovering around 5% above the prevailing market rate. This situation stresses those new to the crypto ecosystem, causing many to reconsider their potential investment strategies. Delving deeper, Glassnode's The Week on Chain report highlights a marked change in sentiment among Bitcoin's short-term holders. The firm identified a distinction between STHs based on their activity, those who spend their Bitcoin, and those who hold. An interesting trend emerged from this classification. The cost basis of the spenders dipped below that of the holders during the market's descent from $29,000 to $26,000 in mid-August. This shift indicates a sentiment of concern and pessimism among the STH community. And they say it's going to take 10 confidence metric. And it's going to trend confidence metric to quantify the sentiment further. This metric is derived by deducting the spender's cost on the holder's cost basis and value by Bitcoin's current price. And a pivotal takeaway from this metric was the evident negative shift in market sentiment. As stated in Glassnode's conclusion, the Bitcoin market is experiencing a non-trivial shift in sentiment, with almost all short-term holders now underwater on their supply. The firm noted that the current atmosphere of unease has been, quote, unparalleled since the FTX debacle. And in many cases, Glassnode noted, this has resulted in a negative shift in sentiment, with investors spending now having a lower cost basis than the rest of the cohort. This suggests a degree of the panic is dominating this group, which is the first time since FTX collapsed. Meanwhile, although Bitcoin short-term holders are grappling with steep losses, the asset experienced a slight uptick yesterday, pushing its price above $27,000. However, this gain was short-lived as Bitcoin has quickly retraced its steps, trading at $26,605 at the time of writing, with a 2.1% decline in the last 24 hours.